Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Landon here, back with another video. Today, we're fishing this lake for whatever bites. Let's go. Okay everyone, so here's our rig right here. We have a little black jig head with a worm at the bottom. That usually works very well for multi-species. Decent sized bluegill right there. Alright, bye buddy. What is this? Oh, it's just a really big bluegill. Oh, pumpkinseed. Wow, look at the colors on this right there. Calm down. Wow, look at the colors on that fish. That's very pretty. Alright everyone, there we go. Decent sized bluegill right there. Sorry if you can't hear me from the wind, but oh, flopped right out of my hands. Nice little pumpkin seed right here. Fought very hard. Bye buddy. Nice little gill right here. Oh, came right off the hook. Decent little gill right there. I wasn't even looking. Wow, that's a good one right there. Pumpkin seed. Very pretty fish. All right. Nice little bluegill right here. Bye, buddy. Pretty little pumpkin seed right there. Let's get him back in the water. Very cool. Nice little bluegill. See you later, buddy. Little baby right there. Whoa, what's this? Oh, wow. Look at the colors on this guy. Really big too. Wow, look at that. All right, bye. Pretty colors on this guy. Bye, buddy. Ooh. Little fighter. Nice little gill. Bye, buddy. What's this guy doing? Strong fighter. All right, so get a slow motion release on you. Yeah. Decent little bluegill right here. Alright, I'm on. Smallest of the day right there. That's a good one. Holy jeez. Look at the size of that bluegill, guys. Wow, biggest of the day. Alright, bye, buddy. I got him. Alright, everyone. Nice little bluegill right here. Let's get it back in the water. Well, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed today's video at this lake here. I had lots of fun catching tons of bluegill and pumpkin seed, so I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned.